Stop watching YouTube videos if you want to learn how to register your business with CAC. Now, before I start, let me tell you a short but a somehow pathetic story. There is this 300 level student of UNIBEN who was trying to do some side hustle to raise extra cash to take care of himself as a student, of course. So he heard that because of the current announcement by the federal government that every business must do CAC registration for their businesses, the market is full of customers looking for someone to help them carry out their CAC business registration. That is actually very true. If you start registering people today, you can make up to 200,000 naira per day because of the number of small businesses trying to register their businesses in a rush. So, as a smart student, he came over to YouTube to learn how to carry out CAC registration so he can offer POS and other businesses around the school campus. So he watched a couple of videos on YouTube, not my videos anyway, but because most YouTube videos don't really tell him exactly the details and mistakes to avoid while registering a business, he made a fatal error while registering his third customer. And guess what? That customer didn't just lose the money he paid to CAC. The guy also lost his business name that he used to carry out many transactions, all because of this guy's fatal error. So this UNIBEN student had to refund the 10,500 naira this customer paid for CAC registration. Secondly, he had to refund the 25,000 naira he charged this customer for his own workmanship. But if that was even the end of the troubles, it would have been okay. But now the customer is threatening a legal action against him because he made an irreparable error that made this customer to lose his precious business name. That was the biggest issue. So this guy chatted me up and recounted all the losses and stress he has gone through within the last few days. Well, do you know why this happened to him? He watched a YouTube video that did not give him all the accurate information before he started. Of course, I pitied him. There was nothing much I could do. But then that story inspired me to show you guys what to do if you either want to do your own business name registration or you want to do it as a business, which I strongly think you should consider because right now, offering business name registration is a hot business in Nigeria. Now, because of the latest update from the federal government that all businesses in Nigeria must register their business with CAC, YouTube has received a wild amount of search from people like you looking to DIY their home business name registration. I mean, they want to do the registration by themselves, which is not bad really. Now, before now, you needed a lawyer or a chartered accountant to help you register your business with CAC, or you have to go to CAC office physically to do so. But now, thanks to technology, you can actually register your own business or the business of your client from the comfort of your room. So, normally, you want to go to YouTube to get guide on how to go about your business name registration. But hold on, that is where the problem really lies. Now, you can see my screen. Every day, without exaggerating, I get more than 10 people entering into my DM, begging me to help them solve different problems, queries, and difficulties that they encounter while trying to register their business by themselves. In fact, I have been doing business name registration for less than 2 years now, but the number of queries and problems that I have had to help people solve is much more than someone who has been doing this business for more than 10 years. I guess that's also because I have a lot of following online, but sometimes I work almost round the clock trying to fix different issues for people who come to my DM, maybe because they saw my videos online. The worst part is that these people are also trying to make a little money by helping other businesses to do their own CAC registration, like this guy I just told you his story. But then, what is wrong with all the YouTube CAC videos? Now, don't get me wrong. Plenty people have used YouTube videos to register different types of CAC business registrations. I also have videos on YouTube that train people on how to do business registration with CAC, and in fact, I have a playlist of several CAC videos. The link is in the video description below this video, and I can even beat my chest that my videos are some of the best and detailed CAC videos on YouTube. But still, YouTube videos might not answer all the very little but very important information about CAC registrations, and especially if you plan on using this CAC registration for business, there are plenty details that YouTube videos will not give you. The reason is simple. YouTube videos are not supposed to be very long because you guys don't really like watching long videos. So most times we try to only mention important things and cut out the less important ones. But when it comes to CAC registration, nothing is less important. Secondly, many YouTubers that record CAC videos don't really prepare before recording. So they don't take time to prepare a lesson plan, and because of this, several important details are omitted. You can't really blame us. We too are really busy trying to publish as many videos as possible. Thirdly, even as experienced CAC registration experts, we see different types of queries every day. Ask anyone who has done CAC registration for a while. They will tell you that CAC problems are unlimited. So, how do we talk about all of these problems in a short 6 minutes videos and even keep you updated on new things that we discover? Fourthly, you have also noticed that more than 90% of YouTubers don't either respond to comments or don't put their contact details on their YouTube channels. And that is where you really have to give me a like here, because I am one of those few YouTubers that try to answer questions on comment section, and I even have my private phone number on my channel. And guys, let me not lie, taking calls or answering chat is a load of work. So if somebody is not picking your call or not answering your chat, you really can't blame them. So please, you have to like this video so you can encourage me to even do more. So guys, these are some of the reasons why you don't want to depend on YouTube videos to learn how to do CAC registrations, especially if you are doing it for other people as a business. So what is the solution? It will be bad if I have listed all of these huge problems without giving you a solution, right? So after I heard these guys' stories, coupled with my own real-time experience of how YouTube videos is putting plenty people into tight corners, I decided to help you guys. So I sat down and I created a better way to teach you how to do CAC registrations, better than how I taught them even in my YouTube videos. I came up with a complete CAC business course where I broke down everything about CAC registrations. I used my experience to prepare a course outline with all the problems that beginners and even CAC expert business name registrars are making that you must avoid from the very step one. I used new registrations of my customers to teach. I did not hide my screens. In fact, after I was done with all the videos, I decided to write an ebook version of these tutorials just for you. I also had a bonus lesson of how to carry out TIN registration in the ebook. That is not all. This is one of the best packages of this course I'm telling you about. I actually opened a new closed WhatsApp group for everyone that gets this course, where I will keep dropping new videos as I make new registrations. And like I earlier told you, because of my exposure online, I get more than 70 persons enter my DM to ask for help on solving CAC queries and other problems they encounter while doing CAC business name registration. Every week, I make sure that I record as I fix all of these problems, and I share them with my closed WhatsApp group, all for free. Not to mention that I am always available to answer their questions and even teach them how to get more customers and expand their business. And that is not even all. I am also giving them opportunities to partner with me in this business. You will get more details if you join us in the group. So if you too are willing to join this group, then that cost is for 20,000 naira. That is the cheapest thing in this world, because even only the live WhatsApp group is worth more than 30k if I were to sell only that one as a private access. Besides, this 20k is just an amount that you can make back on your very first customer, and I can assure you that you will register many others within a few days. Now, let me blow your mind, because this is my newest course and my YouTube viewers are really very important to me. For the next few days, I will slash off 50% from this price of 20,000 naira. Meaning that if you click the Masterclass link in the video description below this video right now, I will only be charging you 10,000 naira for this just for a limited time. So what you'll be getting in this package include: number one, the recent live video course on CAC registration. Number 2, you'll be getting the ebook version of the video course with everything well laid out for you so that you can carry it around. Number 3, you're getting updated tips and update videos as I record how I solve other problems of other people on CAC. Number 4, the jackpot, you will join my closed WhatsApp group and get free tips, updates, trainings, question answered, partnership opportunities with me, and you will get much more without paying an extra dime. And again, how much are you paying for all of this? 10,000 naira only, but that is a limited time price. So go ahead, get this course by clicking the link in the video description below this video, or chat me up. Get this course and make the rest of the year an amazing one for yourself. Please like this video, and of course you really want to subscribe to this channel. Joining my community will be one of the best decisions you will be making this year. I can bet my money on that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the closed WhatsApp group after you get the course by clicking the masterclass link in the video description below this video and getting it. Peace.